Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead first tap on my TikTok app right over here. Now I'm gonna go ahead tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. You can see I only have about 190 followers, but when I tap on this plus icon right over here, I can switch to live section and I can tap on go live and I can start going live. I can start going live at once without having 1,000 followers. Now this is simply a new feature added by TikTok itself. So for you to access that, you need to make sure that your app is updated. For that, go to App Store, go to search bar, type in, and check it out whether your app is updated or not. Once you have tapped on the update option, it will simply update it itself and you will find all of the new features available. Now and then you will be able to simply access the live even though you don't have 1,000 followers. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.